Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's trace and paint them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, B, C, D. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. 1 baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
3 sweet kisses given.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London
4 cozy blankets wrap.
My fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
A is for airplane. It flies in the sky.
With sticks and stones, my fair lady.
B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down.
C is for clock. It tells you the time.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
D is for diamond. See how it shines. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D.
Wood and clay will wash away.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.